Comes Alex down the trail. Out by Potato Butte. A little bumpy up there. Here he comes.